Hello everyone out there on YouTube. Thanks for you guys that have seen my video, by the way. I still hope you guys out there would take good. And remember, we still not the best to that here. Still pretty new and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, you know, guys and girls. But I hope you guys have a good day out there. And it's kinda boring right here where I am. So yes, but I think someday I will get some gaming videos up on the channel. Maybe with my friend, maybe out my friend. I'm not sure. But if you guys think I need to do some channel eller some challenge, so say do a comment down below eller yeah. By the way, if you guys want it, so could it really be nice if you could give that video here a blue thumbs up eller yeah, only if you guys want it. But yes, men, I will see you guys in the next video.